What is up, everyone? Today we are going to do a high bald fade. We're going to go ahead and start by creating our first guideline. We're going to start at the bottom of the arch where the lineup is, and then we're going to go ahead and bring that consistent line all the way around and bald out the bottom. After you've created your line, balded everything out with the trimmer, we're going to go ahead and take our electric shaver and bald everything out with that, so that way it makes the fade nice and smooth. We are going to start with our clipper halfway open, going up about a 1/4 inch to create our second line. And now to fade out that first line, we close our clipper all the way using just a corner, and we are going to bald out that first line. And just to polish off that fade at the bottom to make sure it blends into the skin, we're going to take the corner of our trimmer and we are going to use that to blend that fade in between the zero and the shaver. Now we got that lever closed and we have our half guard on, and we're going up another 1/4 inch to go ahead and create our third line. Then we come back to our second line with no guard on, clipper halfway open using just a corner and just lightening up that second line. And now to go ahead and create our fourth line, we're going to go ahead and throw our 1.5 guard on, clipper all the way open, and we're going to go up just very lightly. Don't dig in too deep because you don't want to take it too high. And then we're going to slowly close our lever down. And then to go back to our third line, we're going to go ahead and throw our number 1 guard on, lever all the way open, and we're going to gradually close it using just a corner to fade into the half guard. our half guard open to just polish off that fade in between our number one and our half guard. And so with that, we blend into our top. We're going to go ahead and throw our number three guard on with the lever all the way open. And we're going to play around with that. And then we're going to switch off between our number three and our number two guard. Play around with that lever. Use your best judgment. And we're going to make sure we're not to dig in too deep. Just to have that fade at the top blend in nicely into our 1.5. Any other detail work that needs to be done that you feel like is still a little dark or needs a little bit more fading, please go ahead and do so. Trust yourself. That's the only way your fade is going to come out the way you would like. And then I would just like everyone to repeat these same steps on the opposite side. So basically, just to recap, we're going to go ahead and just move up a guard every single time. And in between that last guard and your first guard, you're going to basically close the lever a little bit more, and you're going to use the corner to blend out that line. The steps will be the exact same all the way around, so go ahead and repeat everything. We did a quick shampoo for my client to wet the hair, and now we're going to leave the top alone and he's going to style it with his hand. I hope you guys learned something today. If so, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and I will catch you guys in the next video.